If your newsletters have a basic layout structure and only differ in individual parts, it makes sense to save this basic layout structure as a template. To create such a template, first create a creative that contains the desired layouts. Please note, the template will later be based on the master template selected for the creative. Therefore, the first step is to select the appropriate master template. In this case, we have already prepared a creative for the next steps. In the first step, use the creative editor to insert all content that is always or regularly included in your newsletter. This could be images, links, or fixed text elements, for example. Finally, save your creative. Information about the sender and subject can also be pre-filled with settings if desired. To save this framework as a template, go to the menu in the top right-hand corner and select Save as Template. Assign a name and switch directly to the template you have created if you wish. Saved templates can be accessed at any time in the menu via the Content and Templates section. If changes to the structure or content are necessary, you can easily make them and save them directly as updated. The next time you want to create a creative, you can select the appropriate master template and then use the correct template directly from the drop-down menu. There you will find all the parameters that have already been set. This means you don't have to start from scratch. All you need to do now is update individual components or add current layouts and content to have your newsletter ready to send out in just a few steps. Finally, save the editor and schedule your newsletter for dispatch.